Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Hugo cocktail. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 150 milliliters of crisp Prosecco, 100 milliliters of fragrant elderflower syrup, and 50 milliliters of sparkling water. Don't forget fresh mint leaves, a lime, and plenty of ice. Having everything chilled beforehand makes a big difference for this delightful, refreshing drink. It's a simple yet elegant combination. Now, let's begin crafting your Hugo. Take a large wine glass and place about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves inside. Gently muddle the mint leaves just enough to release their wonderful aroma, but don't crush them too much. Next, fill your glass about 2/3 full with plenty of ice cubes. This ensures your cocktail stays perfectly chilled and refreshing from the first sip to the last. With your mint and ice ready, it's time to add the liquids. First, pour 100 milliliters of the elderflower syrup directly over the muddled mint and ice. Then, carefully add 150 milliliters of your chilled Prosecco. Finally, top off your drink with 50 milliliters of sparkling water. Give it a very gentle stir to combine the flavors without losing the fizz. It's almost ready to enjoy. To complete your Hugo, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh lime wedge or a thin lime slice works perfectly, adding a bright citrus note. Serve your Hugo cocktail immediately to fully appreciate its crisp, effervescent qualities and delightful balance of flavors. For a slight variation, you could even add a small splash of gin for an extra layer of herbal complexity. Cheers to your homemade Hugo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.